Please, if you are writing JAMB today or tomorrow, I want you to pay attention to this. One question at least must come out from the topic, change of subject of formula. So let us quickly make Q the subject of the formula when L equals 4 over 3m root PQ. Solution. Now L is equal to 4 over 3, okay, m root PQ. What do you do first? You cross multiply. Use 3 and multiply L. We will have 3L is equal to 4m root PQ. After you have done that, we now divide both sides by 4m. Alright? You know, expressing or making Q the solid of formula is to make sure Q stand alone on one side of the equation. Alright? So I make progress. 4m over 4m. Now 4m cancels 4m here. We are now left with 3l all over 4m is equal to root PQ. What do we do next? We take the square of both sides, okay? So that's 3l over 4m all square is equal to root PQ all square, okay? Now, to cancel this square root sign, we now have 3l all over 4m all square equal to PQ. Is that clear? Now remember, this 2 is affecting both 3 and L, even 4 and M. So if we express all of them as a power of 2, we are going to have 3 square is 9, L square is L square, rather L is L square, okay? 4 is 16, M times M is M square, okay? Equals PQ. All right, let me take off this portion. We continue. You have 9L square all over 16M square all equal to PQ. You know, since we are making Q the solid of the formula, we are going to divide both sides by P. Divided by P. All right. So that's 9L square all over 16M square divided by P equal to PQ all over P. Alright, this will look like 9L square all over 16M square multiplied by 1 all over P. Alright, is equal to PQ all over P. So that 9L square all over 16M square P, 16M square P. Okay, so equal to this goes with this, so that's Q is equal to 9L square all over 16M square P. We have expressed Q in terms of L, M, and P. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye.